I haven't been able to work in over a year because I can't walk far. The pain is it's excruciating. Just don't want to be in pain anymore. I want to live my life.
Operation Walk is a non-for-profit that we partner with at BayCare, where we provide free joint replacements for patients who otherwise might not have access to these services. This really aligns with BayCare's mission of community benefit, being able to bring access to healthcare services that these patients may not otherwise have. And it's almost like giving them a gift, right? A gift of mobility, which is something that I think a lot of people take for granted.
I'm super excited because I haven't been able to walk in a very long time. It's extremely painful. I have grandchildren. I'm a nurse. I want to go back to work. I just want to live life again.
All of the people behind the scenes taking care of these patients, really providing that direct level patient care, they're all volunteers. They're all coming here on their day off, volunteering their services to provide care to these patients, and they get really excited about it. It brings you back to why you got into medicine in the first place. Everything is covered, so everything preoperatively during their hospitalization, surgery, but also after. This is where we're going to be providing them home health care services, medical equipment like a walker, commode to make their recovery a little bit easier, their medications, any outpatient physical therapy, and then their office follow-up visits. So we're really making sure that not just the hospitalization is part of that journey, but it's afterwards too, and supporting them during their recovery so they have the best possible outcome. I love that we get to do this here at BayCare. It's really that humanity at work, and this is a reflection of that.
I'm just super excited to not be in pain. It's hard.